Hello viewers, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, I explain to you about moving average convergence and divergence, MACD. The name may indicate a very big thing, but the indicator is very simple to apply. Before I proceed further, let me tell my viewers that this video is for educational purpose only. Always consult certified investment professional before investing in stock markets. So moving average convergence and divergence. It is a momentum indicator. It is the grandfather of all indicators. It's the oldest indicator. So here you find 12-day exponential moving average, 26-day exponential moving average, 9-day exponential moving average. But MACD line is based on the 12-day exponential moving average and 26-day exponential moving average. It is the difference between these two moving averages. So convergence will occur when these two moving averages move towards each other, and divergence occurs when these two moving averages move away from each other. So let me explain you in detail about it. So we have the MACD line. So what does a negative MACD value indicate? So how do you get negative MACD value? Let me explain here. So you have 12-day and 26-day exponential moving averages. So 12-day exponential moving averages, let us take 8. 26-day exponential moving average is 12. So the difference is -4. So MACD is -4. -4 means it is below 0. So -4. Yeah. Now, whenever a negative MACD is there, it indicates that weakness in the market or weakness in the stock. The opposite is if the shorter term moving average, for example, 12-day moving average, exponential moving averages, 12-day exponential moving averages, let us take 100. Yeah, and then we have got 26-day moving averages 25. So minus it is equal to 75. 75 means somewhere here. So we have plus 75. Means there is strength in the market. So above 0 there is strength, below 0 there is weakness. So that is the meaning of MACD positive and MACD negative. What is the magnitude? Higher the MACD, positive means strength. Higher the MACD, positivity strength. Higher in terms of negativity means weakness in the market or the stock. So let me proceed further. Now, how do you use MACD? Yeah, MACD, we use it based on crossovers. So there can be a bullish crossover or a bearish crossover. The MACD line may cut the signal line. Signal line is 9-day exponential moving average from above. If it cuts from above, it is supposed to be bearish. If the MACD line cuts the signal line from below, it is supposed to be bullish. Now, let me explain this concept of crossovers by using a chart. So let me stop it here and go to the chart. Yeah, chart is here. So we can see the crossovers you can see. So this is the chart of ACC. Yeah, I am using the Zerodha's Kite platform. So how to apply MACD? Go to studies and you can put it here, MACD. So you can see MACD. So indicator is already present, so I am not going to select it. Yeah, now let me come to the crossovers. So MACD, I will write it here. So 12-day exponential moving average, 26-day and 9-day. So this MACD is line black color. It is based on the difference between 12 minus 26-day exponential moving average. Then we have got the red line. It is 9-day exponential moving average. So by now you would have understood. Yeah. Now let me come to the crossovers. So you can see two crossovers, very important. So one crossover here. So MACD line black is cutting at this point the signal line from below. So it is supposed to be a bullish signal. Yeah, bullish. Market is going to go up. So you can buy. You can see the from the chart. So see, you can buy somewhere here. Yeah, ride this particular wave and book profit. So you can take profit somewhere here. There is another crossover. So bearish crossover. If the MACD line, so this is the point. Yeah, bearish crossover. If the MACD line is cutting, yeah, cutting from above signal line. So somewhere here, this point. So this is the crossover. So this is the point I enter. I sell and enter. So the fall in the market, I can make use. So now, whenever there is a crossover, see this histogram. You can see the histogram exactly comes to the 0 point. So here also there is a crossover, comes to 0. Yeah. So whenever there is a crossover, you can make use of the crossover to make 2 to 3% profit. And always remember, my viewers, so MACD is a lagging indicator. Only once it happens, you will come to know. You can use it along with leading indicators like RSI. You can use it along with VWAP, yeah, to confirm the trend. So I think before using this indicator, you better try paper trading. Once you are very comfortable and you are generating profits on your paper trade, then you can go for real-time trading. So thank you. This indicator is the oldest indicator. It has been used for several decades and one of the most useful momentum indicator. Either market is bullish or bearish. So thank you for watching this episode. I am coming up with many more such indicators. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Please press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.